Okay, seriously, I hate Kristine Mirelle. And if you're thinking about doing her challenge, don't. So I signed up for it, and within no time, she had me coming out of my shell and feeling more confident on camera. Confident and delusional enough to make funny ads for myself. Before I knew it, I was doing really dumb things like this. Yup, just embarrassing myself online. My friends made fun of me. Russell Brunson blocked me on Facebook. And my mother disowned me. But that's not even the worst part. She was even so encouraging that she told me that I should make funny ads for clients. I'll tell you why she did it. Because she tricked me. I started making and selling funny ads to clients all during the challenge. And now thanks to that selfish piece of shit, I have no time for myself anymore. I'm traveling all over the place, doing client shoots, writing scripts, working with super interesting people, and making a ton of money. It sucks. I'm serious, do you have any idea how stressful money is? We have to worry about merchant accounts and confirming large wire transfers, and don't even get me started on fucking contracts. So don't do the challenge, because you'll figure out how to make more money in your business, and then you'll have to start dealing with accountants and attorneys and bankers, scumbags. I mean, seriously, just this week, I closed two $15,000 deals for 4 days of shooting ads. You have no idea how stressed I am. I hate you, Kristine. I hate your stupid challenge, and I hope that no one joins it. So you can take this testimonial and shove it right up your ass.